to my channel. My name is Cammielle. I'm going to do a little update on, I think it's been 2 weeks, of my Brazilian wax I got. So I mentioned in my vlog of it that I did not buy any of the products that was shown to me to calm the skin, exfoliate the skin, la la la. So I've been having some ingrown struggles, and I'm using the skin products I have, like the glycolic serum and some aquaphora, some serums that I have still. I got a little diagram I want to show you. So hopefully I don't get monetized for this. It's just a drawing. Anywho, so let's do the triangle. Can you see that? Okay. So I got everything done. The only thing I did not get were the bikini area. No need for that for me. Like I mentioned in the video, there were some areas that were still left over due to it being my first time having a Brazilian. Not all the hair will latch on to the wax, but it was a bit painful due to the wax going back onto the skin again. I was more worried about my skin getting irritated by that, but it's alright. Now, the struggle is ingrowns happening, you know. So that's my struggle, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing the serum daily. I can, but I don't know how the skin is for this area. No baby. So I think that's all I have. That's my update. Now I'm also curious. Not all the hair is gonna come back when you go back to your next appointment. So what happens if you don't have enough hair? Do you reschedule? I don't know. But my struggle is ingrown. Ingrown hair. Yeah. So I think that's all I have. I could talk to my friend about it, but that means I would have to buy the product again. Well, not again, but buy it. If anything, I would buy the exfoliation. I'm scared to do a physical exfoliation. The little salt. I don't know. But yeah. I'm trying not to wear tight clothing and making sure the area is not too claustrophobic. I think, to be fair, and from my experience with waxing on other areas, there aren't ingrowns when you pluck, depending if you get the whole hair. Let me show you. So you have the skin, hair. Okay, so when I pluck the thing, when I tweeze it out, I get this little area. It's white. Follicle. It pulls that out. The hair is removed. So when I do that, I am guaranteed to having nothing there. Eventually it's gonna grow because I'm a living being. So growth is gonna continue until I am no longer alive. But yeah. Now ingrown's crazy. Ingrown can be the wax or whatever source of removal just did whatever's above the skin. Now, if the hair does not reach the skin and exit out to show itself, then it becomes an ingrown. Ingrowns can be dangerous. It can then accumulate, it will be inflamed. So you have the hair, that's a hair that's been growing, and it gets inflamed. And then there's like a bubble of pus, i.e. white blood cells. And that hurts sometimes, depending on where it is. Yeah, so I got some struggles with some ingrowns, which I think is the reason why I stopped shaving. And then I thought later on waxing would be much more helpful, considerate, better. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for listening to this update as well as a demonstration of what's going on. I had fun. I gotta save up to go again. I am only worried that I don't have enough hair to remove. That's my only issue. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anywho, so thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, embrace joy. Bye. Ooh. No, I don't have anything else. Check out these drawings I made. That's not a representation of myself, just doodling. And I wasn't about to put down my appointment. I'm still leaning toward plucking, just to let you know. Oh, that's so good. Very standard, no detail whatsoever. Like, you guys need to know what an ingrown is. It's like a mini cyst, right? Yeah. I'm gonna throw these away. Yeah,